Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your Whirlpool washer. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have the washer that they've been using for quite some time. And so in order to go ahead and clean this, what we're going to do is that we're actually going to go ahead and use this OxiClean washing machine cleaner. So in order to use it, all you got to do is rip it open, spread it around the washer drum, and then on your Whirlpool washer, you're going to set this to clean washer, power it on, and then simply click on hold to start. Now, it is recommended that you use this about once a month in order to maintain a fresh, clean washer. In addition to that, every time you use your washer, as far as maintenance goes, you want to make sure that you remove items from your washer, and after it, always leave the door open to allow for better ventilation. You don't want to keep this closed just because it's going to get kind of wet, soaky, and smelly. In addition to that, only use compatible detergents. So you don't want to be using like powder detergents if you don't have a powder washer. Vice versa, if there's no liquid, don't use a liquid detergent. But with that being said, that is how you go ahead and clean a Whirlpool washer. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.